Alright, so I'm gonna set it up from the beginning so you see how I made that last rectangle. Give me a little prop. That way this is flush with this. What I'll do is I'll tack here, tack here, tack here, tack here. I already got my gloves on, safety.